Davis, where do these go? Here. Where do they go? Oh, can you shut it? Can you shut it? Good job. Okay. Do you know where that goes to? That's right. Good job. You hear it? You hear Lulu? Oh, distracted. Oh, Davis, get down, please.
Mama.
That's not Mama, that's Lulu.
Mama.
You love Lulu.
Cow.
Cat. Get down.
Cow.
Say cat. Meow.
Cow.
Cat. Davis. Yeah. Back to the dishes. Where does it go? Just got distracted, Dad. Oh, I thought they were clean. I thought we were going to put them away. That's where that one goes. It's too heavy for you. Mommy will do it. Hey, Davis. Are you a good boy? Kiss. Good job. Here, Mommy will help you. It's heavy. Come on. You go there. Here. There you go. Is that what you wanted? Davis, can you say, good boy? Look at me. Dave. Dave. Tease. Hey. Hey. Are you a good boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Mwah. Want to see the baby? You want to see it? There's... Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Good job.